Hello my friends! Today's the day of the drawing for the 10 paintings which I'm giving away in celebration and appreciation of reaching 10,000 subscribers. So I'm on commentpicker.com and I got all the comments together. There are 151 unique comments. That means if you left 5 comments, you're only in there once. And we're about ready to go. I have a lovely assistant with me today, my beautiful granddaughter, Daisy. She's just too beautiful to be seen on screen though, so you'll just have to see her lovely hands, and she's going to be holding up the paintings as I run the picker. So here we go. In no particular order, we will start with Freedom. And if you can hold that a little closer to the screen, it won't be quite so big. So here we go. Start random picker. See all these names zip through. Drella 633. Congratulations, Chris, on 10K subs. Love your video tutorials. Well, thank you very much, Drella. If you will contact me by, let's see, today's the 28th, so you have 1 week, so that would be December 4. If you'll contact me by December 4th at cruisypaints.com with your full name and mailing address, we will get that painting off to you. Okay, pick another winner. The next painting is A Closer Look. And here we go. Renee MJ, that's great, Chris. Congratulations. Thank you, Renee. Full name and mailing address by December 4th. Okay. Oh, and Daisy is writing all the names down on sticky notes and attaching them to the winning pieces. Okay, next we have surfing painting I titled Amped. And here we go. Pick another winner. Darlene Van Dusen. Wow, that is a lot of people. Good for you. Thank you, Darlene. We have your full name. I just need your mailing address. Okay, thank you, Daisy. And next we have this one. I don't think I gave it a title, but bring it up a little closer just for a minute here to show. This is I think it was a ring pour, and then I painted water drops on it, so it's kind of a fun piece. And here we go. Pick another winner. Debbie Morris. I am always inspired by your paintings. I love all your embellishments. Very talented lady. Oh, thank you, Debbie Morris. Thank you and congratulations. Just send me your mailing address by December 4th. After December 4th, any unclaimed paintings will go back on my website. So, so contact me ASAP if you want them. Okay, and here we have Playful, the little kitten painting. Pick another winner. And the winner is Jamie. Created that. Oh, Jamie is a new subscriber and she's a wonderful artist herself. You should check out her channel. Jamie created that. Congratulations, Chris. That is quite an accomplishment. They're all beautiful. Thank you, Jamie. How fun. And next we have this rose painting. And here we go. Pick another winner. Sherry. Congratulations on the big K. I love all your work, and the story you shared behind Playful was so heartfelt, and the painting is beautiful. Well, I hope you like this one too, Sherry. As I mentioned in the first video, this one has a little damage on the black frame, but you can touch it up with some black paint. So congratulations to you. Next we have Party Time, the big ring and ribbon pour on a 16-inch canvas. Pick another winner. Pam S. Chris, I love your work. Congratulations on 10,000 subscribers. Keep on pouring. Well, Pam, I'm pretty committed to it, so I will. Thank you so much. Send me your mailing address. What have we got? Just 3 more, I think. All right, now here we have the set of the 4 seasons. These 4 little 10 by 10 paintings, I think they are. I made videos on all of these. It was a really fun little series to do. And there's summer. The lighting is not very good in here, and I think they look much better in person. So that's good. So here we go. Pick another winner. Gems, CA. It's either California or Canada. I'm thinking Canada. How fabulous, the big K. Congrats, and your art is amazing. I especially love the hexagon with the water droplets. Wow, thanks for the opportunity to win a piece of your art. Well, you did it. Congratulations. Just send me your full name and mailing address by December 4th, and it will be on the way. Okay, next we have one I call, what do I call that? Turn it over, let's see the name, I can't remember. Is it churning? Yes.
Churning.
Churning. It just looked like water with a lot of stuff going on there. And pick another winner. Here we go. The winner is Debbie Morris. I am always inspired by your paintings and love all your embellishments. Very talented lady. Thank you, Debbie. Oh, what, did you win a run already? Uh-oh. Sorry, Debbie. I thought the name was familiar, but I know you comment a lot. Yeah, you already won...
the hexagon.
Oh, you won the hexagon. So I'm sorry, Debbie. You can't win 2. One winner, 1 painting per winner. So pick another winner. I thought it sounded familiar when I read the comment. Kathy Badrick. Oh boy, you are fantastic. I love your work. Well, I love Kathy. I know Kathy. She lives here in Lompoc, so I'm going to be able to save some money on shipping. That'll be fun. All right, Kathy Badrick. She is a very talented artist herself. And last but not least, we have one of my signature pours, a ring and ribbon pour. So, the last winner, here we go. Pick another winner. And the winner is Carla Koyak. I love them all. Well, good. Carla, I hope you'll love this one. Well, thank you everyone for playing along and for your loyalty and your support and your encouragement. I really appreciate it. And I look forward to sharing more art with you and more giveaways in the future. Thank you so much. Bye now.